So to add billing information in your Google Ads account, it's pretty straightforward. Basically all you're going to do is log into your Google Ads account to start with. Then you'll see this billing tab on the left hand side here. And then you'll see some different options. If you go to payment methods, that's where you're going to see the payment methods here. Now, you're likely not going to have anything here, but in this account we already have a credit card loaded up in here. This is set to the primary payment option. You can also set a backup payment option in case, like let's say this is a credit card and it's got a limit on it, and if it hits the limit, we don't want our ads to stop running. So by adding a backup payment method, we can ensure that the ads will continue to run even if this limit is reached on this credit card. So you just click add. It's the same process to add a primary card as it is to add a backup payment method. So if you click this add backup, or actually you would click here and start with adding a primary, but when you click this, it's just going to ask you for the card information. So you just put the card information in, give it whatever details is needed, and then click add. And that's going to go ahead and add in a credit card as a payment method. Now there are other payment methods that you can use that are a little bit different from a regular card. So you can use a bank account or a credit or debit card. I think they used to allow you to use a PayPal account. I'm not sure if they do that anymore. So you may see some different options here, but the two main options are going to be a credit or debit card and then a bank account. So you can choose which option you want to add. If you don't want to use a credit or debit card, if you want to use a bank account, you can certainly do that here as well. And then of course it's the same process. You would just click add here, and then it's going to have you go in and fill in the information, and then you can click save to add your bank account in there. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward to set up your billing information. I hope this was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.